Shadow people to arrest the fella man.
Asante Kotoko management no. Ye bo season ye boy ewia. Kotoko enye wholesale signings bi. Na nya management no na uja mo mo de ombeto.
Yes.
The seat of ownership of Asante Kotoko. Directive say ya Tom 12 ya koto 15 17 no. Emfa so bi amai.
Okay.
Abusanya analysis we. Kotoko ebelusu goalkeeper Muhammad Kamara.
Yes.
It only stands to reason say they will replace him with a top-notch goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Etiebo season you na ati Kotoko to goalkeeper the mo so nipa ba kwa ba.
Normal.
Normal.
Nice one.
Unim say ofa league ayebo yi. Say ofa goalkeeper so mo keep most clean sheet. Samate's goalkeeper keep 13 clean sheets. Kotoko goalkeeper Kamara keep 10 clean sheets or a second. Kamara no goalkeeper no Samate's number more games scratch. Okay. It will lose you must replace him. Kotoko Nankasa or 3 goalkeepers. You have 2 and more seasons. Kotoko better goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Kotoko penye bie no Kotoko better maka say you say right back be a pie. Say we has right back or mo ya de be hwan.
Nanka Trent na is on to.
Oh tete bench o mobi. Ebia say Rhys James so be Kotoko kra Kotoko nto. It doesn't matter the form because Kotoko ewo Lodamoa. Kotoko ewo Abrante the thing at Kote Imano. Kotoko no going for player via Obama right back. Kotoko left backs me and some particular Siedu. Joseph Amoa. Francis Aqua. There's no way Kotoko untimin chechemche men chef kesemze o koto dia head in question be uzano no. In terms of center backs Kotoko betobi.
Okay. Because somebody is leaving.
Already Kotoko are suspended and as mucha o terminated the contract of Ablo. And a Samba Echo. And a Bradley did answer a contract every year. Kotoko I was Zakaria on there. The first season Woboy. Musa Amzata the first season Woboy. Out of the 5 center backs available, Emuma Kuma and Sa any available. Kotoko every replace. E hono o justify was a penny and Tiaseu.
Okay.